Okay, next up is going to be the door schedule, and we have mark, count, family, construction type, width, and height as our headings for this. So back to Revit, I'm going to go to annotate, and let's see, where am I? Wrong spot. View, that's it. Schedule, single wall entities. And on here, I'm going to find doors. Here we go. Now, first thing, first column is going to be type. So I put type in. Then next over is count. Then family, construction type, width, and then height. Filter, not going to do. Sorting and grouping, not going to do. Formatting, I'm going to leave that alone. Appearance, I will get rid of the blank before data. And I'm going to say OK. And you can see I've got multiple different doors on here. Something I do want to add. Well, no, I'll just leave this way. Let's go back to view, and I will pile this. And then over here on the window, we're going to need to do the same thing as we did before, where we actually put the tags on. So back in my floor plan, okay, I'm going to go to annotate, tag all, door tags. I'm going to say apply and OK. And now I've got all my door tags done. And of course, I'm going to save this whole thing right there. And if I want, I'll show you the view and pile. And here is my door schedule for all of my doors that I'm going to be using.